What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Mifa F2 wireless Bluetooth speaker. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Getting straight into it, the F2 has a fairly small form factor for the sound it produces, but we'll get onto that later on in the video. Its main construction is a rubberized plastic with the exception of metal grills for the speaker. For media controls, you're greeted with cool, pause play, forwards and backwards buttons, as well as a power/mode button which allows you to turn on the device as well as select between auxiliary and Bluetooth capability. It notifies you of these changes with a pre-recorded voice.
Bluetooth enabled. Auxiliary enabled.
You're also given two fairly short cables of the device, one for auxiliary connection via micro USB and one for charging USB connection via micro USB. Setting up the device for Bluetooth connection is simple. Just turn on the device and wait for the
Bluetooth enabled,
and then search for the named device, i.e. Mifa F2, in your device's Bluetooth list. To set up using the auxiliary cable, just plug in the auxiliary to micro USB adapter into the bottom of the device and then plug the other end into your device of choice. You can also run audio from the micro SD card slot. Now all of this is fine, but it would all be useless if the microphone didn't sound good, so I'm just going to let you decide if you like it or not.
I don't mind, cause this is something that I have to find. After all this time, I'll be okay. Don't let your head hang.
Now unfortunately that will only sound as good as the headphones or speaker you're listening to this video on, but believe me when I tell you this speaker is incredible. Something so small produces such good sound. It's got a really good bass. It's just amazing. Something so small produces so much sound. So I hope I've given you insight into the Mifa F2. Maybe you might, if you were looking at getting a Bluetooth speaker, this could be the one for you. But as always guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and peace out.